Take a moment to think about your last marketing campaign. What was the call to action? Was it contact us or submit at the end of a form? Those CTAs can work in some scenarios. But imagine if your call to action was more along the lines of schedule a call or book a meeting. With Calendly, you can convert prospects at the height of their interest and hand off leads directly to your sales team, automatically. Here's how. You can embed or link to a Calendly scheduling page anywhere, on a landing page, in an email cadence, or even in a QR code. And invitees will enjoy the ease of booking a meeting with your team in seconds. And you don't need to worry about unqualified leads or bad fits, because you can use Calendly's routing forms. With a few qualifying questions, you'll automatically screen prospects and direct them to the right sales team or sales rep. And if they're not the right fit for a conversation, then you can easily send them to a helpful resource. Using Calendly's integrations with popular CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce, you can also automatically track all of this activity. And within your Calendly Analytics dashboard, you can see a snapshot of your team's meeting trends, so you can prove which campaigns are driving results and which ones could use some improvement. Put yourself in your prospect's shoes. Scheduling a meeting on an expert's calendar feels like forward momentum. Waiting for someone somewhere to get back to you does not. So give your prospects a better experience and turn more high-value leads into revenue-generating meetings. If you've got any questions about using Calendly with your team, please don't hesitate to reach out. We'd be happy to help.